and we are back with Autohaus of Naples. My name is Mika, and we also have Peter here, and I hope everyone had an amazing day and evening. And to my right, we're going to go right into our first car. We're going to do a 2013 BMW M6 is what we have here for you tonight. This is a Black Sapphire Metallic exterior. It's black on black. It's gorgeous, triple black. The interior is black as well. And this is a two-door convertible. This had two original owners out of Naples, and it was very well kept. This car rides on huge, big 20-inch wheels on Michelin low-profile tires. It's very sleek and sophisticated looking. The wheels are in great condition, and it's 5-spoke with the BMW emblem right on it. And this is a four-seater. It's a two-door four-seater. You can fit 4 people in it very comfortably, as you can see. I'm just going to open the door and look right inside. And this is perfect for your weekend drive or some fun. I can have a lot of fun in this car. I could totally see us having lots of fun in here. And look at the wheel. The wheel looks great. The stitching, the BMW, it's awesome.
A nice carbon fiber. Look at this. It just shines in the sun.
It does. It's
the
beautiful.
ultimate 6 Series. This is the best top of the line. If you want a 6 Series convertible, doesn't get any better than this.
That's right. And I also just want to point out over here, everything is power, obviously, and then it has a really good Bang and Olufsen stereo system equipped inside of it, which is awesome. So I just want to point out the beautiful metallic color that you can see it shining. So it's not flat black. It's really metallic and glittery and beautiful, and the M6 emblem is right there. And this tire is in just as good condition as the back. This baby stops on a dime. You can see the super huge blue brake calipers right here for the M6, and these tires are awesome, and the wheels are great. Okay, before I show you under the hood, I want to just show you around to the front, and we have the side cameras right here, which is a great asset to the vehicle, and we have the parking sensors here, as you can see. Pristine LED lights, so you can see in the darkest of night, and we have this beautiful huge front grille, and it is open like that because it needs a lot of space to breathe because it has a huge engine under it. And the BMW emblem, which actually I was just informed stands for, what was it? It was a propeller.
Yeah.
If I'm corrected,
It used
right?
to be a propeller, yes. They
That's
used to
so
build
cool.
airplane engines.
Yeah, and it stands for Bavarian.
Bayerische Motorenwerke.
I don't know how to say that. I don't even. Yeah, what
Well,
you
we
said.
teach you
What
German
Peter
after
said.
a while, you know.
What Peter said.
We
Yeah.
teach you
Yeah. So,
German after a while.
oh yeah, I'll learn it. So.
Oh, look, the cat was chasing the rabbit right here. He's running over there.
Oh, rabbits are good luck. Did
Oh,
you
yeah?
know that?
No, I didn't know.
I'm very superstitious about weird stuff.
Oh,
so,
yeah?
rabbits are great luck. So, okay, so you're just going to put your hand right under here and pull up, and this has a huge engine under it. It is a 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 engine. It's connected to an automatic transmission. It's rear wheel drive, and it's producing 552 horsepower.
That's enough to get us to dinner fast.
Oh yeah, this is huge. This is the sports car of all sports cars. It has 502 foot-pounds of torque, and this is a Naples vehicle, and people in Naples are very wealthy. They have more money than time, and they really keep up with their cars and their vehicles, and that's why we do what we do here out of Naples, and we ship these cars worldwide. They're very well kept. Most of them are garage kept with very low mileage on them, and they're mostly in pristine condition. So with that being said, I'm going to close this, and we're going to go around to the other side. And I'm just going to show you these tires again. We're on the passenger side now, and we have the 5-spoke BMW wheels. We have the blue brake caliper, the big blue brake caliper. It's got a lot of brakes on this baby. It goes really fast. It should have a lot of brakes, right?
Should stop too, huh?
Yes, you would hope. And I'm just going to show you around to the passenger side on the inside. You can see the M6 emblem, and it smells good. It's completely professionally detailed. It's in great condition. It's ready to take off the lot. It's ready for a test drive and for its new permanent home. And the triple black on black is great. Here's the back tires in great condition. It's just ready to go. And we're going to go around to the back. So I'm just going to show you around to the back, and it's super sporty in the back. As you can see, it has the quad exhaust, which is the dual on each side. 2 and 2 is for a quad. And then to open it, the M6 emblem, and then to open it, you just simply push on this M right here, and it pushes down like that, and then you can open it. And for its size, it does have a very spacious trunk. It smells good in here. Nice and clean. We have the books here, everything that comes with it. And then I'm just gonna pop this up so you can see it also has this stuff down here.
It's for your tires, the pump.
There you go, yeah, the pump for your tires. And
They run flat tires.
yeah, they don't go flat because they're,
Run flat.
yeah,
You have
that's
your
it.
pump to pump it back up.
Yeah, so you don't need the spare tire.
Ah,
Because,
you call us.
yeah, exactly, and we'll take care of you for
We
sure.
rescue you.
So does this go down? Or
Yep.
all right, so
It goes down.
it does. So we're gonna go for our test drive. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, me too. Before I show you the top-up operation, I just want to show you the windscreen, which is this button right here. So you're just going to push that, and then the windscreen in the back pops up, which everybody needs that, especially females with their hair and all. And then to do the top-up operation, wait, let me put it back down for you. There you go. And then to do the top-up operation, you're just going to hit this button right here and just pull it up. It's very easy to do the top-up operation. It looks super sporty and luxurious with or without the top up or down, whichever you prefer. So that just went right up in a matter of moments, really, and I'm pretty sure we're ready for a test drive now, right?
Top down for the test
Oh
drive?
yeah, do you want to do it down?
Yeah,
Let's do it
I like
down.
topless.
Yeah,
I prefer topless.
I mean, me too. I'm going to put it back down for you and show you how that works. And you just push the button again. Very simple, and it just goes right for you. All right, are we ready?
Easy peasy.
That's it. Very easy. Okay, we're gonna start this baby up. Just put your foot on the brake. We're gonna hit the start button. This car is amazing. You can see the carbon fiber trim right here. I love that. And it only has 50,000 miles on it.
50,011. You just turned 50,000 on the drive home.
Yeah, that's right. So that's not that much at all. And then down here you have your lane assist, parking assist. This is your heads up display, which I really love. Can you see it there? Yeah, there you go. There's your heads up display. That really helps a lot while you're driving. And you can hear this baby purr. It's got a perfect little engine, big engine under it. And so over here, I'm going to show you your shortcut options. And if I put it in reverse, I'm going to show you the camera. So you have your 360 rear view cameras here. All your shortcuts are right here. Everything's in working order. Very easy to maneuver. You have navigation, your vehicle information. Everything is here. It's been serviced. All systems are okay as it shows. Everything has been serviced and maintained, and nothing comes out of Autohaus of Naples in bad condition. We're very proud of our professionalism and our cars and our quality of vehicles as well. So as Peter's scrolling through, you can see how easily you can just navigate through your shortcut options, and all the cameras work and everything works great. And we're gonna oh, I want to show you this too. Where's this thing? So M1 is in regular like driving mode, and then M2, if you push M2 right here, that's when it's like aggressive. Like you can aggressively drive with that. So naturally we're gonna put it in M2, right?
Yeah, we will. You know, it's all programmable, so I can go into settings right here.
Yeah.
And I can tell you how to set it up. Your heads-up display, M drive, you can choose whatever you want. Traction control on, efficiency, comfort, and M view. And then you can go to M2. I set it up Sport Plus. So if somebody wants to mess with you and you need some power, you just press M2 and the car will go.
That's awesome. It's technology on wheels. It's the best of the best here, and I'm super excited to take this test drive.
This is an awesome car. Let's go for it.
All right, let's do it. Oh my goodness. Ah.
You You're only in M1 and you're already jumping.
Oh my gosh.
And it has nice paddle shifters and an awesome steering wheel. So
The steering wheel is great. It's leather. It's beautiful. The heads-up display is awesome. I really
when you
love
put it
that.
in M mode, it gives you put all the windows up.
Okay, it also has heated and cooling seats, and right now I have the heat on, 73 degrees. You can also cool them right here. The heat is on that side, the cool is on that side. It's a little bit chilly, and the sun has gone down, and it is winter in Florida, even though it's
68 degrees.
68 degrees, that's right, but it feels really, really good on my back here. And then, you know what? Why don't we put the windscreen up here?
Yep, much better.
Yep, I'm just going to show you up and down, down and up, just with a push of a button. Very easy. That windscreen helps a lot. And we have the top down. Yeah, there's no wind, and it's nice and warm, and it's very comfortable and luxurious in here. So we have a man walking his dog. So we're just gonna go slow there. And the heads-up display is great. You can really see just how fast you're going, and it's just like an extra eye. There we go. I zoomed into it. Yeah, now you can see. It helps a lot, and it's a great addition to these beautiful vehicles that we get to drive. And if you would like to take this on a test drive, please give us a call at 239-263-8500. And you can ask for Peter or any of the well-qualified sales associates. They are trained technicians, and all of our cars are licensed and bonded, and we're real people. These are real cars. The reason why we do this is to sell them. So please give us a call at 239-263-8500 if you would like to take any of these amazing vehicles on a test drive. These are the top of the line, best quality vehicles that you are going to find out of Naples, Florida. And we ship not only in Florida and the United States, we ship worldwide.
Worldwide, yes, no problem at all.
Yeah. And we're just going to wait because there's a car behind us. And then we're going to do our acceleration run.
Yes, we will.
Okay, so it's in drive right now, and I'm going to put it in M2. So just hit the M2 button, and I'm going to use the pedal shifters right here and here, and we are going to go on our acceleration run.
Let's go for it. Woo!
Oh my gosh.
This guy is super quick, huh?
Super fast. There's so much power behind this. That was so much fun. Guys, you have to take this on a test drive, and you have to try this out. This is awesome. So please give us a call, 239-263-8500, or you can go to our website on autohausflorida.com, AUTOHAUS, spelled the German way, house, FL.com. This was super fun to take on that little test drive. We should take it out for longer next time.
Oh yes, we will.
Yeah, we should.
I like
definitely.
M6s. I'm telling you, this is a great generation of cars.
They're so fun and
They built just an awesome car.
super well built and powerful. And I'm so excited. And thank you guys for always watching us and liking us. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. And please continue to watch us. We really appreciate all of our new fans and all of our growing subscribers. So with that, we are going to say goodnight from the Mika and Peter show. Until
Yes,
next
thank
time.
you. We see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.